So, I just took the recently concluded BCLTE, or the Basic Competency and Local Treasury Examination. It is a 180 item exam. Yung 1 to 10 is about you, the examinee, and then the rest of the items ay about na sa treasury, the government, and a bit about vocabulary. I have no experience pagdating sa treasury. It is outside my field. But then I can say na anyone can pass it as long as you review, familiarize yourself with the topics about treasury. Now, what can I advise you is magbasa ka lang about, basahin mo yung books, yung LTOM, and yung mga memorandums concerning treasury. May mga lumalabas na reviewer online, may mga nagbibenta, compiling the different questions na lumabas before, na possible daw lumabas ulit. So, it is true that some questions ay nag-appear ulit sa present examination. But then, nangyayari na about siguro 20 to 40 to 50% lang ang lalabas galing sa reviewer. Nagkakataon lang na ganon. What's important is magbasa ka talaga ng libro, familiarize it, memorize the information. Kasi the questions are unpredictable. Unpredictable in the sense na hindi mo alam kung ano ang lalabas. But then, predictable kasi kung ano yung nabasa mo sa materials mo, sa libro, yun at yun lang din naman ang lalabas. Although it is a tedious work na basahin lahat ng librong yun, wala tayong magawa. You have to absorb the information. Siguro in a scale ng 1 to 10, the difficulty for me is 7. Ay, 7 po. Mali pala, hindi siya 7 kasi medyo nahirapan ako. Mga nasa 9, ganon. 9 yung level of difficulty niya for me. Kasi hindi ko in-expect talaga na hindi lalabas karamihan ng inaral ko. But then, it's a matter of luck lang siguro kung makapasa ako. Yung iba kasi parang common sense lang din. Kailangan mo talaga i-digest ng maayos yung questions. So, kahit parang wala kang alam, wala kang idea, himay-himayin mo and make sense of it. Ganun na lang yung ginawa ko. Make use of the process of elimination kung pwede. It's really up to you. So, is it worth it na bumili ng mga reviewer? Pwede. But the best reviewer is still to read the materials, the books, LGC, LTOM, ganon. You don't have to pay anything for that. Just read. And hopefully, sa mga nag-aspire to take the exam, alam ko next year meron ulit. So, if hindi ako makapasa, maybe see you next year. For any questions about it, feel free to ask. I'll try my best to answer your questions.